I'm going to go through the surgical protocol for the Triathlon Tritanium base plate and for the patella. The first thing that you need to know is that there's two trays to do the prep, both for the tibia and for the patella. The first is the Triathlon Tritanium prep tray, and the second is a half tray for cementless punches. Your prep for the tibia is almost identical to what it is for the cemented version. The difference is that when you're about to punch your keel, you need to use press fit punches. So here are the press fit punches. They come in the same size as the cemented. You have a 1-3, a 4-6, and a 7-8. They look identical to the cemented, but if you look on the side here, it is etched right within the metal to say cementless, so you can keep them straight. From there, whatever you sized the tibia to be, there's 1 through 8 peg drill templates. So this is a size 7, so I take 7 here. You can see there's an outline here of the keel, and it's very short. You go ahead and you push that into a prep that you had just created, and from there you're going to prep for the 4 spikes that are on the bottom of the base plate. You take the 1/8 inch peg drill here, and you're going to drill all 4 holes such that the drill bit itself bottoms out on the template. So you do all 4. From there you take the template off. Surgeons usually just use their hands. You can get a good hold of it and just pull it straight off. Or there is a hole here that goes anterior to posterior. So if you take some type of surgical tool, it can help you kind of pry it off. I've taken an alignment rod here, and I've taken the fatter part here that moves back and forth. I put it next to the end almost. If I put that into the anterior hole here, I put my thumb on top, it can just aid you in removing that template from there. From there, if there's any hard bone to put on this press fit component, what you can use is the a second drill here. This is a 7/32 inch drill. And wherever that hard bone or sclerotic bone is, you can find the hole that you created from the previous drill, and then you can put this and bury it just to the point where the metal obviously gets far fatter in diameter. And from there, implanting the prosthesis is the same as using the cemented version. You're going to use the same impactors. You will notice that when you open the Triathlon Tritanium base plate, there will be a black pad that is on here, which is disposable. Leave the pad on, put the metal impactor on it, and pat it down. Once you have impacted it all the way down, take it off. Use a secondary impactor if you need. From there, take the black pad off and discard it. The reason that black pad is there is that this is a titanium component. The modular impactor, which is metal, obviously you don't want to create any kind of abrasion on the titanium base plate itself during impaction. That's the reason for the why the black pad is packaged with the implant itself. And that's the simplicity of the preparation for the Triathlon Tritanium base plate.